Stop throwing away those overripe bananas. This 3-ingredient Brazilian jam is the ultimate way to save them. It's glossy, caramel sweet, and so easy to make. Welcome to Cooking with the Darlings. Let's get started. This jam is the perfect way to use up overripe bananas for maximum sweetness. It creates a rich, natural caramel flavor that spreads beautifully over warm bread. And the best part? It always starts with this. Place your sugar in a pan and melt it slowly over medium heat. You are looking for a beautiful golden amber color. Carefully melt the sugar over medium heat. Try not to stir it too much at this stage. Just let the heat do the work. Once it's completely liquid and it has that rich glow, we are ready for the next step. When you add the water, a hard lump will form. But don't panic. This is normal. Just keep stirring on low heat until it melts back into a smooth syrup. The sugar will slowly dissolve and recombine with the liquid. Just stay patient and keep stirring. It will soon become a smooth golden caramel, which is exactly the base we need for our jam. It's time to fold our bananas into the smooth caramel liquid. Make sure to stir well so every piece of fruit is perfectly coated. You will notice the mixture starts to bubble and thicken almost immediately. Keep your heat low to let those flavors blend slowly. Continue stirring as the mixture simmers and the moisture evaporates. You will see the jam become thick, glossy, and much deeper in color. We are looking for a heavy, syrupy texture before adding our next ingredient. Add the lemon juice now to balance the sweetness. First, we sprinkle in the cinnamon to add a beautiful warmth. This spice provides a lovely, sweet base that begins to deepen the flavor of our caramel. Next, we add 5 whole cloves. Watch as they drop into the jam, where they will infuse the mixture with a deep, aromatic spice as it continues to simmer. This recipe is a beloved staple in Brazil known as doce de banana. Unlike traditional jams that use pectin, the Brazilian way is all about the slow burn. This recipe relies on the natural sugars of the overripe bananas to caramelize alongside the sugar, creating a depth of flavor that is much richer and darker than your average fruit spread. Watch as the bubbles grow thicker and the jam becomes smooth and shiny. This transformation shows us the sugars have reached the right stage. You will know it's ready when the mixture is heavy and pulls away from the bottom of the saucepan. That deep, dark color tells us it has reached perfection. Carefully fill your jar with the dark, glossy jam. This preserve stays delicious for weeks, but it's hard to resist trying it immediately on some toasted baguette. There is nothing quite like the sound of opening a fresh jar. As the lid comes off, the warm aroma of caramelized banana, cinnamon, and cloves fills the air. It was definitely worth the wait. Now for the best part. Watch how easily the jam spreads. Thick, smooth, and full of those deep, rich flavors we built. On a piece of crunchy toasted bread, this is the ultimate Brazilian comfort food. Every layer is packed with that slow-cooked caramel flavor. It's simple, honest cooking that turns a few humble bananas into something truly elegant. Presented on a simple plate, the dark mahogany jam looks stunning. It's the perfect addition to a slow morning or a special afternoon tea. I hope you enjoyed making this jam with me today. It's such a simple way to bring a little extra sweetness to your table. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know how yours turned out. Thank you very much for watching Cooking with the Darlings, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now!